Can you win a felony murder case in criminal court? Imagine being accused of a crime where someone lost their life, but you believe you are not responsible. That's what a felony murder case is all about. It can seem overwhelming, but there are ways to fight back and possibly win. Felony murder charges happen when a person is killed during the commission of a dangerous crime. It does not matter if the person intended to kill or not. If the death occurs while committing a felony like robbery or arson, the person involved can be charged with murder. This makes these cases very serious and complex. To win such a case, the defense team needs to challenge the evidence the prosecution presents. They might argue that the evidence was collected improperly or that witnesses are mistaken. If the prosecution cannot prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant was involved in the felony or caused the death, the case can be dismissed or the defendant found not guilty. Another key defense is showing that the defendant was not part of the felony at all. If they were just present but did not take part, the defense can argue that being there does not mean they caused the death. An alibi can also be powerful. If the defendant can prove they were somewhere else at the time of the crime, it can disprove their involvement. Proving that the death was accidental or that the defendant acted in self-defense can also help. If the defendant did not intend to kill and the death was a result of an accident or justified force, the charges can be reduced or dropped. For example, if someone was defending themselves from harm and accidentally caused a death, that can be a strong defense. Mistaken identity is another way to win. If the defendant can show they are not the person who committed the crime, they may avoid conviction. Presenting clear evidence that they were not involved is critical. Winning a felony murder case depends on carefully examining the evidence, showing lack of involvement or intent, and presenting credible alibi or self-defense claims. Each case is different, and a skilled criminal defense lawyer will tailor strategies to fit the specific facts. While these cases are tough, they are not unwinnable. With the right approach and evidence, a defendant can have a chance to clear their name.